Oscar Pistorius told the court he was deeply in love with his girlfriend and never intended to kill her, his words read out by his lawyer. His family sobbed in the packed courtroom, and Pistorius, one of the world's most famous athletes, broke down in tears. According to an affidavit, Pistorius said he'd woken in the night, convinced there was an intruder in the bathroom. He grabbed his gun and fired through the bathroom door, thinking that Reeva Steenkamp was in their bed. When he realised she wasn't, he said it filled him with horror and fear. But the prosecution argued that Pistorius knew Steenkamp was hiding in the bathroom after an argument and that he'd put on his artificial legs, walked 20 feet from the bedroom before opening fire. The prosecution won the first round in court today. Oscar Pistorius will be charged with premeditated murder. The onus is now on the defence to show that there are exceptional circumstances to convince the judge to allow him out on bail. As lawyers argued over the manner of her death, Reeva Steenkamp was laid to rest in her hometown of Port Elizabeth. Her uncle, Mike Steenkamp, spoke of his grief.
We are here today as a family, but it's only one thing missing, it's Reeva. We've got together, but we miss one.
The track star has earned millions over the years from his running career, but now his sponsors are starting to desert him. He's a rich man, but also a frightened one. He said he'd received death threats, which is why he was so quick to reach for his gun. In his affidavit, Oscar Pistorius said the couple were deeply in love and couldn't be happier. He said he knew Reeva Steenkamp felt the same way. At one point in the hearing, he was so overcome with emotion that his whole body was shaking, and Scott, the judge, had to pause the proceedings.
Emma, you're reporting from the police station there in Pretoria. I wonder what happens next in this case.
Well, tonight, Oscar Pistorius is still inside this police station in a private cell. But tomorrow, as the bail hearing continues, if it doesn't go his way, he could end up in a South African jail. And the prisons here are dirty, dangerous and overcrowded.
But he'll try to make bail tomorrow if he can. Emma, thank you very much.